Hello students, this is chapter 2 polynomials and we have learned about polynomial in previous video. In this video we will do exercise first A. The question number first, which of the following expressions are polynomial? These are the parts of question number first and we have to find out which of the following expressions are polynomials. So do it right now. This is the first part and x to the power of 5 minus 2x cube plus x plus 7. So, which of the following expressions are polynomial? Is this a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial because this expression having only non-negative integral powers of x. So, you can write the expression, the given expression having only non-negative integral powers of x. Here x to the power of 5, here x cube, x to the power of 1. So all the powers are non-negative and integral powers, means the powers in the form of whole numbers. The given expression having only non-negative integral powers of x, or we can say the powers in the form of whole numbers. The powers are whole numbers. For easy to understand, so non-negative integral powers means the powers are whole numbers. Such type of expressions are polynomials. So for every expression like this, you can give this statement, and in this question you also find out the degree of the polynomial. In case of a polynomial, write its degree. The question was left here but it is given in the end, so find out degree also. So I am write its degree. This is also in the question. The highest power of x is 5. So write down the highest power of x is 5. So it is a polynomial of degree 5. So it is a polynomial of degree 5. For all the parts, you will write this statement. If it is a polynomial, you can write same statement. The language will be such type, which I have noted it. The given expression having only non-negative integral power of x, and the highest power of x is 5, so it is a polynomial of degree 5. Okay, now come to the part second. Second part is y cube minus under root 3 y. Now here you are looking the variable having power 3 and power 1, and you can't take it under root 3, that it is not having the power of integral power under root 3. Only we have considered the powers of variables, not the constant. Constants are real numbers. So for the polynomial you will see the powers of variables. So here the powers in the form of whole number, and highest power is 3. The variable having highest power is 3. So it is a polynomial of degree 3. Statement you can write like as we write in the first part. So I am not writing here full form. You can write yourself. I am just giving the answers. Okay. Now come to the part third. T square minus 2 upon 5 t plus root 2. Now see the variables t square and t, and the powers are non-negative integrals powers, or we can say powers in the form of whole numbers. So it is a polynomial of degree is 2 because variable have the highest power 2. Here the power is 1 in the variable, but highest power is 2. So it is a polynomial of degree 2. Now come to the part 4. This is the part 4, 5 root z minus 6. Now you can write root z is equal to this expression, you can write 5 z to the power of 1 by 2 minus 6. So what is the power of z? This is the rational number, rational power of variable. So it is not a polynomial. So you can write the variable have rational power. The variable z has rational power. Or we can say the power is not in the form of non-negative integral powers. Okay, or you can say not in the form of whole numbers. So this is the variable z has rational power, so it is not a polynomial. Now come to the next part, 5th, x minus 1 upon x. So you can write this expression like this, x minus, if you take x in numerator, so it becomes here x the power of having 1, and you can write it minus 1 when it comes in the numerator. Now see the power of x is not in the form of whole number. So you can write the power of x or variable x is not in the form of whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Now come to the next part, 6 x to the power of 108 minus 1. Because x have the power in the form of whole number, or we can say non-negative integral power. Okay, you can write x has the power x has a power in the form of non-negative integral power. So it is a polynomial. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial and highest power of x is 108. So you can write it. So it is a polynomial of degree 108. Okay. So reasons you can write like this. You can write non-negative integral power or powers in the form of whole numbers. Both are the same thing. Now come to the part 7th. 7th part is cube root of x minus 27. This is looking that it is not a polynomial, because you can write x to the power of 1 by 3. Cube root means you can write the power in the form of rational number minus 27. So give the reason. It is not a polynomial. You can write the reason by yourself as I give it above in the above parts. So I am giving only answer. It is not a polynomial. If it is not a polynomial, then don't write the degree. Now come to the part 8th. Students, I think you can do the other parts by yourself, and you know how to write that the polynomial, what was the cause of the polynomial or not a polynomial. But I am giving the answers of the remaining parts. Here 1 upon root 2 x square minus root 2x plus 2. See the variable. This is x square, this is x. Here the power of x are in the form of whole numbers. So you give the answer. The power of x is non-negative integral power, or you can write power of x is whole number. So it is a polynomial and the highest power is 2. So it is a polynomial of degree 2. See the part 9th. Here you are looking that powers of x is not in the form of non-negative integral power. These are the powers negative. So these are not whole numbers. The variable has not the powers in the form of whole numbers. So this is not a polynomial. Now come to the next part 1. Here this is the constant polynomial of degree 0, because if a term, here you can write 1 into x to the power of 0. I am doing it in the notebook. See how to write the answer. See, these are the constant polynomial. You can write it 1 into x to the power of 0, and for this minus 3 upon 5 into x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 means 1. The value of x to the any number have the power 0 will be equal to 1. So this is a polynomial of degree 0. This is also. So you can write, and the power 0 is comes in the whole number. So you can write that it is a polynomial of degree 0. Now come to the next part, and it is the last part, 12th. Cube root of 2 y square minus 8. So students, don't be confused about the constants and variables. You have to see only the powers of variables. So here the variable have the power is in the form of non-negative integral power, or we can say power in the form of whole numbers. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial and highest power of variable is 2. So it is a polynomial of degree 2. Degree 2. So this is the question number first, all parts. Now come to the question number second. Now this is the question number second. Write the degree of each of the polynomials. It is very easy because we have done the question number first. So we are not doing in notebook. Only I am explaining what is the degree. Here see the variable, only the variable x, and only one term have the variable, and the power of x is 1. So highest power of variable is 1. So it is a degree 1, polynomial of degree 1. Now see the second part. Highest power of variable is 3, x to the power of 3. So it is the polynomial of degree 3. Now this is a constant polynomial, and in constant polynomial the degree will be 0 because x to the power of 0. So this is the constant polynomial of degree 0. Here highest power of variable, see all the terms, x to the power of 7. So it is the polynomial of degree 7. Now see the part fifth. This is x to the power 9 minus x to the power of 5 plus 3x to the power of 10 plus x plus 8. So here highest power is 10. So this is the polynomial of degree 10. And last part 6, 2 minus 3x square. This is the polynomial of degree 2. So you can write that highest power of variable is the degree of the polynomial. Now come to the next part, coefficients. Now third, write the coefficients of first part x cube. So when you have to find the coefficient of any variable, or how to find the coefficient, the remaining factor of which you have to find the coefficient. So see the expression, and in which the x cube, the term having the x cube minus 5x cube, this term having the x cube. So here the other part of this of the factor is minus 5. So you can write the answer, coefficient of x cube will be minus 5. This is the remaining factor of this term. Now coefficient of x, second part, coefficient of x in this expression. See this expression, the term in which x are present, this is the term, minus 2 root 2x, this is the term, and here this is x and other factor is minus 2 root 2. So coefficient of x is minus 2 root 2. Come to the third part, coefficient of x square. See the term of x square. Now the factor is which is a part of x square, pi by 3. So this is the coefficient of x square. Now coefficient of x square in 3x minus 5. Here you are watching that no term of x square. It means the this term will be multiplied by 0. It means plus 0x square. The expression will be 3x minus 5 plus 0x square. So the total product will be 0. It means the coefficient of x square will be 0. So I am not doing it in the notebook. I think you all have understood how to write the coefficient. Only see the remaining factor of that which we have to find the coefficient. Now come to the question number 4. Give an example of a binomial of degree 27. Now this I am doing in the notebook. See how to make any binomial, monomial or trinomial. Now binomial of degree 27. Binomial of degree 27. It means highest power of x, if we are taking x in the variable, highest power of x will be 27, and it is a binomial, so it will have two terms. So make an algebraic expression in which two terms included. So suppose first you write x to the power of 27, but it is one term, so add or subtract or by any other operation you can use. So I am using plus x plus 27 plus 8. So this is a binomial of degree 27. This is the thing. Now next is, this is a part 1, monomial of degree 16. Second part, monomial of degree 16. Monomial means single term, only one term. Take another variable. If in first part you have taken s, so here you can write another variable. Suppose z. Monomial of degree means highest power of z will be 16, and it is monomial, so only one term will be there. You can use or multiply by any constant, so 4z, but it will count as a single term or monomial. Now third part, trinomial of degree 3. Trinomial of degree 3. Trinomial means three terms, so and in which highest power of variable will be 3. So we can make 4x cube plus 3x square minus 5. You can write by your own, and but it fulfill the condition that it must be of degree 3 and trinomial. If you are writing by your own, then so it is also a trinomial, 3 terms, and degree 3 means highest power of variable is 3. So this is the question number 4. Come to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. It is very easy, so I am only explaining in the book. Here first is 2x square plus 4x. Linear, quadratic and cubic. Which type of this polynomial? Because it has the highest power 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Number 1 is quadratic polynomial, and here x minus x cube, second part. Highest power of variable is 3, so it comes in the cubic polynomial. The third part is 2 minus y square. Highest power of variable is 2, so such polynomials comes in the quadratic polynomial. Now fourth, minus 7 plus z. This is the linear polynomial because variable has the power 1. Now fifth part, 5t. So it is also linear polynomial because variable has the power 1. Now p cube, because the variable have the power 3, so it comes in the cubic polynomial. So this is the exercise first A is completed now, and I think it has been clear to all of you. Now students, please like, share and subscribe my video and give comments. In next video, we will learn the zeros of the polynomial. Thank you.